Now we're back with Florida wildlife. Look at the baby alligator inside of the lake. Just simply basking a little bit above the water in the sun. We should probably back up a little bit so that the mama alligator does not eat us.
It's a good idea.
When it comes, because I kind of don't want it. Or any of its little alligator sisters are actually nowhere to be seen. All you can see is at the water's edge a very murky water full of mud and that yellow child's toy. The alligator does not seem to be moving. Watch as the sandhill crane stalks along the lake bed. It is trying to find some insects and grubs to eat. We will try to slowly get closer to see this magnificent beast of nature. He seems to be looking to the left and right. It's almost as if he's trying to cross the road, since he saw that street sign right there, and his practices proper safety etiquette.
Thanks for our way.
We continue to approach the magnificent sandhill crane. Sandhill crane is still walking. Seems to be getting off the hill now and going on the other side of the hill, perhaps going back into the forest. Still searching for a good enough meal for it to eat.
Why is this thing alone? It's twice in my life
I
I've
don't
seen
know
one
why
of these.
it's alone, but usually we see them by the houses, but this one is just. It's in near the development.
I've seen them back here before, just never alone. It's weird, strange.
Or you could say wild. Now, in an exciting episode, I have been wanting to cover this since we started this series. This is grass. You might be thinking, why are we looking at grass? Grass is so basic, so boring. But you could be ever so wrong. Grass is the foundation of all the food chains here in Florida. Things eat grass. Things eat the things that eat the grass, and things eat the things that eat the things that eat the grass. Without grass, everything would die. We need to support grass. Because grass. Watch as the chicken struts along the driveway. This is a magnificent rooster, as you can see. Very big tail feather, and also nice crest on its forehead. Actually, that might just be a normal chicken, but whatever.
It's a rooster, Dylan.
I know, but its little head thing's kind of small.
I know, but it's still a rooster.
Okay, still a rooster. So the rooster seems to be running away from us, as it should. As it should be terrified of us, as we are the alpha species. Okay, it's hiding behind the wheelbarrow. It seems this chicken has social anxiety.
Chicken!
Hello, we are back with another episode of Florida Nature. Today we are going to be talking about minnows. As you can see, these small little fish swimming along the shore. One interesting fact about minnows is that they eat mosquito eggs, so you could call them mosquitoes. It's not that funny. But they do eat mosquito eggs, which is actually a very cool thing, because I don't like mosquitoes.
Neither do I.
And I like minnows.
I do like
And you
minnows.
should too.
Oh,
This has
one
been
right there.
Florida Nature. Hit like and subscribe, or you will be eaten by a mosquito.
No!